Hey guys, I'm Sumika. Diwali is the festival of lights, so let's celebrate it with some shopping. No. Gifts. No. Sweets. I am hungry, but no. Then what? Light painting photography. Ah. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. First of all, I want to wish you all a very happy Diwali guys. I hope you get to spend it with your family and friends and have a great time with them, full of joy and cheer. And hope all your wishes come true, especially related to photography. And today, since it's a Diwali theme, let's do some light painting photography as Diwali is the festival of lights. So our theme will be around Diwali. It's going to be fun, it's going to be a little tough too. Let's see how it goes. But first, let us revise the basics. Now, if you have watched my previous light painting tutorials, you can skip this part and directly go to this time. But if you want to revise the basics, come along. Things you will need: a camera that allows you to set your shutter speed manually, a tripod or any kind of support for your camera. You may use the support of any table or stool in case you don't have a tripod. Mobile phone, I'll show you how you can use them. A remote, I have the Nikon ML-L3 wireless camera remote control. Since I'm shooting alone, having a remote really helps. If you don't have a remote, you can use the self-timer mode of the camera or ask your friend or family member to assist you. Next, darkness. So I'm gonna turn off the lights, shut the doors, windows of my room, cover any openings in them. The room should be pitch dark. Now let's get started. I have set my camera on my tripod. I see the frame and stand accordingly. Turn on my torch and focus on the light with my remote. After focusing, let's come to our camera settings. I'm going to use manual focus, switch to the manual mode. Aperture can be around f6.3 or f8, depends on your scene. ISO the least 100. Shutter speed will be the bulb mode. If you don't want to use the bulb mode, you can set your shutter speed to 20 or 30 seconds. But I prefer using the bulb mode because in the bulb mode, once I press the shutter release button or my remote, the camera shutter will open and it will remain open till I press the shutter release button or my remote once again. So I can keep my shutter open for minutes, hours. This gives me more time to draw my light figures at leisure. Or else if I set it to 30 seconds, I'll have to finish drawing by 30 seconds, which can be very hurriesome. So I like to use the bulb mode. If you don't have the bulb mode or you don't want to use it, you can set it to self-timer mode and keep your shutter speed around 20 or 30 seconds. But in the bulb mode, it is great if you have a remote, because if I press my shutter release button, I'm bound to shake my camera while I do that. So having a remote really helps, as I'll not have any kind of camera shake in my images and they'll come out very smooth and sharp. But if you don't have a remote and you don't want to use it, self-timer 20 or 30 seconds. Anyway, I take my position as per my camera framing.
First, I'm gonna make a diya, obviously. For that, I will use these light painting brushes, any two colors. I'll leave their link down below guys so that you can download them. Take my mobile brightness to 100%. Once I press the remote, start with the drawing. For the diya, I will first take any one color brush. I'll draw the base of the diya first. 3 curved lines from my neck towards my elbow, then towards the second elbow, and finally joining the 2 elbows. I'll change the color for the frame. Draw a leaf-like shape from my neck to my head and fill it up. Press the remote again when I'm done. Lights out. First drawing the base for my diya. then the flame. Voila! Next, I will work with a diya. First, I will place a diya against a plain background. I'm using a cardboard here as the background. Then I'll go to Instagram, click a blank picture, then draw a circle in any color, a few more circles, then change my color and draw more circles till I get a multicolor dotted background. Let's save this file. In the same setup, I will expose my background for a while, turn off the display, then turn it on again till I fill up the space. Lights out. First, I will take a normal picture of the diya. Focus on the flame and try to keep your shutter speed fast so that you can only expose for the diya. Then quickly remove the diya and click a long exposure for the dotted background. Just turning the display on for a few seconds and doing that till I fill the space. Now I have two images, first of the diya, then of the dotted background. I will place the background on top of the diya image. Change to the screen mode, then press Ctrl T to free transform, and that's it. I get a beautiful bokeh background on my diya. Next aspect of Diwali is a rangoli. For that, I will once again use my unicorn brushes. I will take the red color brush and make a swastik near my neck. Very easy. Just draw a swastik in midair. Then change color and make a circle around my neck, that is around my swastik. Again change color and make such a spiral circle. You can make any design, guys. Then with another color make a shaky circle. Then another shape just to fill up the space. That's it. Lights out. First drawing the swastik, then circling it with another color, spiral circle, shaky circle, and finally filling up the space. Next aspect is fireworks. Here also I will use the unicorn brushes. First firework, just drawing lines from the center. Next, spiral probably. Can be any way, guys, as the fireworks are messy. Then a shaky way to draw the lines. You can try as many layouts as you want, guys. Then I will take a plain color brush. Again, I have made this with Instagram. Take the center spot as my stomach and expose the phone for a while. Turn it off. Rotate it. Expose it again. Rotate it again. And keep doing that till I make 6 such lines and come back to where I've started. Lights off. Making my firework. Then making another firework in the next image. and so on. Here I have my fireworks in separate images, and again I will place them on top of each other. Change blend mode to screen and free transform Ctrl T and make a nice firework display. That's it. Lastly, we will make the feet of goddess Lakshmi. For that I will use these circle brushes. Link is in the description again. Or else you can make your own circle brushes through Instagram, which I showed you. Just make one circle here and not multiple circles. We will focus on the floor here. Make the shape of feet, then turn off the phone display and make 5 circles in front for the toes. Same thing for the other foot. Now switch to red color. Go in front of the foot shape drawn and I'll make a swastik here. Lights out. First drawing the foot, then circles for the toes and the other side. And finally the swastik in front. That's it.
So guys, I had a lot of fun trying these simple Diwali hacks to make some light painting photographs at home. And once again, I want to wish you all a very happy Diwali, guys. I hope Goddess Lakshmi brings a lot of joy and prosperity to your homes. And do try these light painting tricks, guys. They are very simple to do and you can make some great photos without much effort. And if you do tag me on Instagram at Agarwal Sonika. I'll be very happy to have a look at your images, guys. And do wish me in the comments and wish me a happy Diwali. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous light painting tutorial. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Happy Diwali!